Well, they say what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, but not this time. Some of the most recognizable names on the list of potential presidents gathering in Sin City today. From Studio B Live to the chief political correspondent and former World Series of Poker champion Carl Cameron. Carl.
You're not making it any easier, man. I mean, we're in Las Vegas, and I got to spend the day at a healthcare policy forum. No, it is very important. It's one of the premier issues in the country, and one that will potentially be decisive in the domestic Democratic debate for the presidential nomination. All the candidates except Delaware's Joe Biden are here today to debate healthcare, and from the moment it started, a tremendous debate among Democrats about whether or not universal healthcare is achievable with or without raising taxes. Hillary Clinton, who of course was renowned for her failed effort in her husband's first term, 1993-94, for universal health care, took the stage with a level of enthusiasm and energy that really surpassed anybody else. It was clear that she felt most comfortable talking about this, and notwithstanding the problems of her proposal for health care back so many years ago, she said today in kind of a reverse I told you so, that with all these years having passed, it's now the voters are saying that she was right all along.
Now people are saying, boy, we wish we had done that back then.
One by one, all the candidates have spoken. Barack Obama took the stage, acknowledged that he does not yet have a plan, per se, on paper, noting that his candidacy is only 8 weeks old. He did tick off a whole series of priorities and policies that he would try to achieve, and said that he thought that it could be completed by the end of his first term. John Edwards took the stage, and he has a plan out, the only one on paper of all the candidates thus far, and acknowledged that he would have to raise taxes in order to pay for it, and suggested that those who denied that reality were misleading the voters. Here's how he put it.
The joke I always make about it is that American people have heard so many politicians for so long say, oh, we're going to have universal health care, we're going to transform the way we use energy in America, we're going to end poverty in America, and in the process, we're going to eliminate the federal deficit. They probably got a bridge in Brooklyn they want to sell you, too.
Right after John Edwards wrapped up his remarks, it was New Mexico Governor Bill Richardson's turn, and he came out and said that he has a proposal with a number of innovations that would not require any tax increases. There are some 41 million Americans who are uninsured. The Democrats intent on addressing that in the first term of a Democratic presidency, Trace.
Carl Cameron live for us today in Las Vegas. Carl, thanks very much. Well, there's another contest being waged right now.